Hi, welcome to my math class. So this is for a project I'm doing. And so basically, what I'm going to do is teach math stuff. So yeah, and sorry it's come so late, but yeah, so basically that's what we're gonna be doing for this one. I'm gonna do 2 videos. I don't know basically how to do it, so I was gonna make one video and then make another video. So there's gonna be 2 videos of these. And yeah. Hope you learned something from it. So the first thing we're going to do is square root. So basically what square root is basically what number multiplied by itself would get me that number. So say we had the number 36, right? And I want to find the square root of 36. 36 multiplied by itself is 6. So the square root of 36 would be 6, because 6 times 6 equals 36. And if we had 81, I would want to find the square root of 81. We do 9 times 9, and since 9 times 9 is 81, the square root of 81 would be 9. Now how to write this out would be like this. So this one would be for 36, so that would be the square root of 36 equals 6. And for 81, or for 9, since the answer is 9, the way to write it would be the square root of 81 equals 9. Now, the next thing we are going to be learning is perfect square. A perfect square is a number that has a really nice square root. And I know it sounds confusing at first, but what it really is we are going to, let's use 36 again, right? We use 36, and 36 would be a perfect square because 6 times 6 equals 36. So you can write 36 as 6 squared. So, or like the exponent would be 2. That's why it would be a perfect square, because you can write that out like in that form. And I know what you may be thinking at a point like this. No, you can't multiply anything else that has a different number. I know it sounds weird when I'm saying it, but what I mean is, if I have 4 times 4, that would be a perfect square because of the two numbers multiplying by each other. And we know 4 times 4 is 16. And we can make 16 into 4 squared. But I cannot go and do like 2 times 3. 2 times 3 wouldn't be a perfect square because they didn't multiply by the same number. 2 and 3 are not the same number, so you can't multiply those together and get a perfect square. They have to be multiplied by the same number. And if it's multiplied by the same number, then you'll have a perfect square. If not, then it's not a perfect square.